Husnain says, and you show or demonstrate where the male beard starts from near the ear, which part of the cheekbones includes, etc. How far in the neck it goes. Also, can we shave the mustache into a straight line? I've read a bit online, but physical demonstration would be perfect. I'm sure it will not only help me, but others too. So the director will keep the short camera on my face, inshallah, and not take a long shot. First of all, the beard in Arabic is called al-lihya. And linguistically, al-liha is the jawbone. So this lower jawbone, the one that moves, because the upper jaw does not move. This one, the lower jaw, is the one that moves. It's called liha. So the scholars say the hair that grows on this lower jaw is called lihya. And the most authentic and accepted opinion is that your jaw begins from the ear. So even the sideburns are part of your jaw. And if you open your mouth, you will find that this area, with this area here, the lower and the upper, these are called your beard. So anything that grows on your jaw, this area, and on your cheek is called the beard. What grows on your cheekbones below your eyes, this is not. So you can remove this one. But from here, this is your beard. Now, what's underneath, which is on my neck, so my face is like this. This is my beard. But what grows on my neck is not considered to be part of my beard. So this area on my neck, on my Adam's apple, above that, just below the chin, this is not my beard. I can shave it. It looks awful, weird, if you do this, because you will have like a curtain here, but underneath you will not find anything. It looks awkward, but c'est la vie. If you want to shave it or shorten it on the neck, no problem. Here, this is your beard. You cannot line it as some people do. This is the line. What's underneath your eyes is not part of your beard, and you can remove that. What about shaving the mustache? Totally prohibited. This is not from the sunnah. The sunnah is to trim it so that there is no surplus, no extra on your lip, but you do not shave it. You just trim it with the machine or whatever, and Allah knows best. Those who shave their beards, will they be accountable on the Day of Judgment? Akhi, let it be known that the consensus of all four schools of thought, Abu Hanifa, Malik, Shafi'i, and Ahmad ibn Hanbal, they all agree that shaving the beard is a sin. There's no difference of opinion among scholars in this regard. This is the consensus. The difference is whether you shorten it or keep it. And there's a difference of opinion whether it is over one fist length or you cannot do that. You have to leave it as it is. But to ask whether they will be accountable on the Day of Judgment, the answer is definitely yes. Will they be tormented? This is up to Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah will judge them. Allah would weigh their good and bad deeds. Allah would look into their intention. Was it looking down at this obligation? Was it lack of knowledge? Allah knows best. Don't cross your pay grade. This is in Allah's hands, and He will take care of them. You must know that it is sinful and it is haram. As I'm keeping a beard, and lately have started increasing its length. It's curly, and my father says that I should trim it slightly so that it appears nice and not haphazard. I'm worried. Please guide. It is not permissible, Dr. Muhammad, to trim the beard according to the most authentic opinion. There are two authentic or strong opinions. One stating that it is prohibited, and the other stating that it is permissible, providing that you grab a fist and cut what exceeds of it. So this is the limit. Not the other way around, the people do this and they cut on top. No, it's from the bottom. And I support the opinion that says that one should not trim it or take anything off it. Now, in your case, you can put softeners, you can put relaxers or whatever they call them on your beard so that it would not become curly, it would be straight, providing that it's not harmful for you. And there's nothing wrong in taking care of it, combing it, brushing it, shampooing it, even putting conditioner on it. There's no problem, none whatsoever in that, inshallah.